Hi there, how's it going, mateys? I forgot to say it, didn't I? YARR! This is Captain Blue over at CGPirates. I hope you are doing well. Okay, so this is probably the last, well, second last little piece I need to do for this, and I'm talking this time about why did I leave this inside this little tray just here? Okay, now if you remember, when I built the lighthouse at first, I built it inside this little tray, and I didn't remove any of the walls. And there's a reason for that. Now, if I take out the walls, okay, you can see that it still looks more or less the same. We've got less shadow comes in, but we haven't got the walls around it. So what's the difference? Well, the difference is how you think about it, okay? Now, as a good example, if you were using Lego and you built your Lego just on one of those little square trays that tend to come with the Lego sets, okay, you can focus on what's on that little Lego set tray and you can build on top of it, and it's much easier for you than if your entire floor was one giant Lego tray. Where would you start? How big's your model going to be? It's very hard to work these things out if you have infinity to work with. So just having a little space like this, you get a lot more control over where you're going to build and how you're going to build it. And then when you want to build some more, all you need to do is either expand the size of your tray, which is very, very easy. All we do is just drag that out and it's like we've got another little Lego board next to it when you think about it, or just delete the wall and build next to it. But always when you're starting out, start with just a little bit of a guide and it makes your job a lot easier. Okay, so that is why we have a sand tray, our little building tray, just a building. Anyway, see you later. Goodbye for now.